Hello there. Took this old oil lamp apart, repainted it, slowly going back together. Just put all these little collars in. I put each one of those on a nail and run them through that wire wheel to kind of bring the luster back to them. Got a light bulb in there. I gotta run the fishing line now. There's 2 rows of fishing line. One on the inside, one on the outside. Little project, winter project. Clean these ends up the best I could. One side looks pretty nice. The other side kind of faded, but it'll do. Just an old oil lamp. Yep. Give it a facelift. It just needed a good cleaning. And the paint was lifting off of the metal. So I repainted it. Cleaned it all up. This fella goes in here. Yeah, winter project. Got a couple quarts of lamp oil. Took the old oil out and it looked like motor oil. I don't know if it was the right stuff or not, but kind of nasty. Got a pump in there. I got to replace that hose. I slid it a little bit, and now I'm going to heat that up with a tool jug and take that hose off. I don't want to break that plastic pump. And replace that hose. This is another project. Headboard. I'll get around to it sooner or later. I got it all drilled and it's waiting for paint. But it'll go something like that. Yeah. Winter projects. Okay. I guess that's all I got to report. Anyway, those little collars go in those holes, and then you run the fishing line, and then you put these in, and it keeps the line secure and in place. In the bottom, you gotta shove all these. I cleaned all these. Gotta shove all these back in through the holes. Little greenery. Okay. See ya now.